nirigeriruo guikiranira ngirimiti mubango wa kuhanda miti birioni 15 kwa ihinda rĩa miaka 10. Mubango uria utanyitwo gutafanio kugerera arutwo milioni 17. Mubango uyu wa kuhanda miti birioni 15 kwa ihinda rĩa miaka 10 ni wonete wongerereku wa CDF na gicunjĩ kĩa 5 kuri ministry ya maria maturigiceirie. Mucemanio wa kwarĩrĩria mubango uyu ni utofanirio umuthi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuri utongoririo ni Minister Soipantuya Ezekiel Mashogu hamwe na Festus Ngeno. Minister wa maria maturigiceirie Soipantuya ni ugite ati kuma kurugurio kwa mubango uyu mwaka muthiru ni gukoretwo na uthii muingi wa nambere ta waki wa ceceni cia kuheana mimera ya miti. Oho Tuya ni ugite mekunyitanira na ministry ya githomo niguo gutigirira mubango uyu ni wagacira.
It is evident that in the past few months the noise and high levels of illegal activities that have been in our forests have significantly dropped. We still have isolated cases that are reported. We have set up a special unit within the ministry where we get real-time reporting of cases of illegalities in our forests, and we are going to intensify that to make sure that, as we say, we are planting 15 billion trees. We don't have people who are destroying 15 billion trees at the same time. My ministry is also engaging with development partners from various across the board, private sector, for the necessary support that we need for this program to really take off. Being the inception year, because the program is running from 2023 to 2032.
Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Mashogu ni ugite ministry yake iceba gutigira mubango uyu ni wagacira. Oho ni ugite ati ni muhaka o thukuru ya mathomo ma iguru ikoro ina nathari ya gukuriria miti.
Nurseries at each and every level, at each and every state department of our ministry, starting with higher education, where we have 74 of our public and private universities. We have agreed and said that each and every university, may it be public or private, must have, as of necessity, a tree nursery.
Anyiti itemi honge-inĩ ici igĩrĩ nĩ maikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ mathukuru kũhĩmbĩria teknoloji o hamwe na gwĩthema gũtũmĩra ngũ tondũ icangagĩra mũno harĩ ũthũkangia wa marĩa maturigiceirie. Ngĩribotera Mũthingi TV, njĩtagwo Joshua Njuguna.
Haya, nayo dudu